my paper up. Run my paper up. Nigga in his baby. Run my paper up. Run my paper up. A nigga in his baby. Damn, young nigga been on the road. We gon' hotel to hotel. We used to go door to door. Shout out to my nigga Nino. What's up, my boy? Like a cheat code. My guy had a plan and I seen, bro. My guy had a will and I seen.
What's good, y'all? It's about Andreonekay back with another video. And as y'all can see, I rewrapped my Hellcat, y'all. I rewrapped it. It's crazy. See it? It's not all the way like Green Goblin, but it's somewhat. I wanted to bring it back. I'm gonna put it down for y'all. I had Green Goblin before, back in car parking, back in 2022, when Vontae had this Green Goblin. So yeah. And I think it reached like, I don't know, I think like 300 views on the car parking video of Green Goblin take it off-road. I'm gonna put it down for y'all. But yeah, we're gonna do a little POV drive with this. 10 a.m. in the morning by McDonald's. Man, it's crazy. I really rewrapped it. It's crazy, I really rewrapped it. But I ain't gonna talk too much. We're gonna head to the POV. You feel me? That's the startup sound. Got the 38 tabs. I'm playing with it. But y'all know it was gray. I had gray for a while. Ever since 22. I just kept it. Matter of fact, I'm wrong. I wrapped my Hellcat, the zebra cat. I did that in 23 and then ended up taking that off. I ended up taking that off in August 23. So I had it since like March 23. I'm gonna go ahead and start driving though. And y'all want to see the inside? This the inside. I'm finna lost it a bit. I'm gonna go to this side. Yeah, go this way. Oh snap, this I'm telling you. Get out here. Downshift. Ooh. Hold up. Oh my god. Cool. Oh my god, yo. Downshift. Get off this exit. You feel me? Cause I got something to show y'all, but that's for next video. So we're gonna go to the country road. Is this it? Yep, that's it. But yeah, you feel me? That's it. Come on, light. I'm gonna try to slide it, y'all. I'm gonna try to slide it. Oh snap! Oh snap! Stop playing with y'all, boy. Stop playing with y'all, boy. Well, yeah. This game, it's been a lot of changes with me and Jay chillin', YGN. I'm gonna put it down for y'all, cause y'all need to tune in with him. But I need to well, he been convincing me to content, but I'm gonna be working in real life, so like I'm gonna bring content to y'all whenever I can. Like my days off, I'm trying to like bring content. And then I'm supposed to be trying to give me a little Honda, cause I had a car, but anyway, besides that point, I'm gonna try to bring in real life content to y'all. For real. This right here, this area, I'm gonna show y'all. It's called Huntstone. I'm put the real life picture. So basically, it's based in real life. I gotta finish it. But I'm gonna show y'all my house. Oh, snap on the grass. Right here. So it's not done, but I might do a tour on it. So it's not done though. It's not done. This car represents my godmama for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and back out of here. The stars is crazy in it. Oh my god. Watch this big god. Let me slow down. Before I run outside the road. Should I launch this bit? Yeah. Oh, never mind. This bit ready to go. Oh my god, this bit spinning out. I gotta add smoke to this what do you call it? Chases. Oh, that road. Yo, I'm gonna show y'all in this video too. That road is crazy. Y'all see that? Hold up, I'm gonna cut my graphics up. For y'all. Yeah, so that way, say that for another video also. It's probably not gonna show up because, but that highway's been, it's basically being built by Jay Chiller, and yeah, over here we just kind of like glue. I don't know if y'all saw in the old video, it won't glue up. So basically we made some changes to the game. Jay Chiller used to live over there. He don't live over there no more. So I used to move from over there and claim it. Like that road I showed y'all. That's how I'm gonna make another video on. Well, I'm probably gonna show in the next video. Yeah. Downshift. Oh my god, y'all heard them pop stuff. Whew. And I got a charcoal. I don't know if I'm gonna build it up, but I don't know. So yeah. Something's I don't know what's gonna be built right there. They've been building on that for a little while. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh snap! Last bite. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, park over there. I'm in the video all. But yeah, Burger County it's coming along. I started to give up on it until Jay he helped me. Shout out to him, he helped me out. So this last bite, I got my graphics up. Y'all don't mind the last bite. Go ahead and park over here and wrap it up. Y'all, I'm gonna show you the store before I wrap it up though. But yeah, that's the Hellcatiana. Oh yeah, just to start up, the lights cut on. Yeah. And then, of course, the reality. That's how it be. But yeah, y'all. The peanut butter seats, man, it's crazy. It's really crazy. This store is just crazy. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. It's all y'all probably seen this store before though, cause I don't know if everybody uses it like in their games, but some games, yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Anyway, yeah, y'all. Next video on the way. Hellcat this. Oh my god. Yeah, sir. That's what I like to see. But yeah, y'all, this is a wrap, and I will catch you later.